This is an example of an interactive memory verse. To teach memory verses to children, the best way to do it really is what they would have called the rote method, being able to say the thing and say it over and over and over to concrete it into the mind, so that they can then recall it and remember it at a time when it will be helpful to them. And this one here is Genesis 1:1, as we can see, and basically we've got the number of stars that are on the screen. Now it starts with the words not hidden, and this is where we can get different children to help us to come and press on a star and to see the word that's underneath it. So we press on a few stars and we can start to see the verse that's coming out, and get different kids up and get them involved and participating in the activity. And once we've got the stars out, we can get the students to read the memory verse together. So we would all read, "In the beginning God created the heavens and the earth." And we'd read it through a few times until we're relatively confident that the children will start to remember it, even if they aren't seeing it. And at that point we start to hide some of them, and I tend to choose some of the bigger words because that's the ones that are harder to remember. And then we ask the students again to repeat the memory verse, and we go, "In the God, and we listen to see if they're getting those hidden words right. If they're getting them right, well, then we can hide a few more. If we find as we're reading it through, or we're getting them to read it through and say the verse, that they're always stumbling on a particular word, well, we go, okay, you're missing that one, we'll click that one back on so that you can see it, and then we repeat it again and again.